All right, so let's continue with other type. I said the first type, they give you two charges on a straight line. The other type, and then they'll ask you this question that they ask this one. Then the other type, what they do, they love to put them in a form of a straight line, but this time you are having not only two charges, there are now three charges in this case. You've got charge A, charge B, you've got charge C. Maybe we can make this one plus, and this one maybe we can make it plus, and then this one we can make it minus. So the same question I asked you here, I said, what was the net force on A due to B? I get it? Then I ask the same question, instead of saying force now. Then I say, what is the net electric field on A due to B? Same question. Net force because of B, electric field because of B. You got it? All right. So this time here, they'll choose one of them. Let's say we choose A. They'll say, what is the net force on A because of B and C? What is the electric field on A because of B and C? Can you see? Next time they can choose B. They say, what is the electric field, or what is the net force on B because of A and C? What is the electric field, not electric field on B? Can you see? Same question. On B because of A and C. Then they can also choose the C and ask the very same thing. It's actually the same questions here. So they love this one here. So that's one. That's one of the type. And then another type is gonna be something like this. They'll do it as in a triangular form. They can put a charge here, and then they can put another one here at the corner, and then they can put another one over there. But they'll give you the measurements. Can you see that?
Yes.
All right. So now we can say this one is plus, maybe we can say this one is minus, and maybe we can do this one, it's a plus, and then it's in a triangular form, so it's like a right angle triangle. It's A, it's B, and then it's C. You might find here they give you the distance here, it's 4, let's say it's 4 meters. I'm just making my own thing. And then here they can say it's 3 meters. And then in the previous one, maybe they can give you, sometimes they can give you the whole distance. This one here, let's just say here, it's just 2 meters. And then the other side, Mona, it is just 3 meters. Meaning from A to C. Okay. Now, for this one, what's needed, I'm going to use dotted line. What's needed, if we're to do the distance from A to C, you want this line. You'll be using that dotted line. You can't use 3 and 4. That means you must do theorem of Pythagoras, because they'll make it a point where here it is a right angle triangle. We good, ne? Yes. All right. And then they're going to ask the very same question. If they pick A, what is the net force on A due to B and Z? What is the net electric field on A due to B and Z? Then they go for B, they go for C. Ask the very same thing, but they'll only pick one. All right. So then the other type of question, sometimes they give you they can give you equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle. Okay, first let's start with an equilateral triangle. Let's just do that. All right, so that we're doing that. So you find out that side equals to that side equals to that side. Maybe they can just give you and say this is 2 meters, and then also down there it's 2 meters, and also there it will be 2 meters. And then now we can call this one, it's a plus, we can call that one a minus, we can make this one a plus, and then we can name them. We can call this one A, we can call this one B, and then we can call this one C. Alright? And then there is another type. Alright, we see that in the next video.